How to hide that you read a message in TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok, log into your account, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up on your profile. Go to your profile and then click on three lines located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find Settings and Privacy. Then click on Privacy, which is the second option. In here you'll find Allow Direct Message From. Click on it, and here you'll find Read Status. Make sure you turn it off. Make sure the circle is in left side and there is no blue color in it. After that, you're good to go. This is how to hide that you read a message in TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.